It's here. Thumper's patented percussive action meets the latest lithium battery technology. Enjoy the freedom of going cordless. No need to find an electrical outlet. Experience muscle relief on the go thanks to the swappable battery. The battery lasts 60 minutes, so you can treat up to 12 patients on a single charge. The tapotement action focuses the energy deep into the muscle, relaxing the muscle. The Lithium8 offers 5 speeds, ranging from 20 to 40 pulses per second, tailoring the massage to the patient's needs. The Lithium8 also features a dual drive system, which keeps the massager balanced and minimizes feedback to the handle. Are you ready to unleash its power? Thumper. Stay active.